Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe at home and enjoying quarantine. If you are active on Instagram, then you must be pranked with this story. You all must be wondering what the hell just happened. How he got my profile picture here. To solve all your queries, I made this video. Watch the video till end to know the secret. Subscribe to channel for more tech updates. So, let me just quickly tell about that picture which showed in the story. First of all, it is not your profile picture. It is a new testing update of Instagram which is available in few countries. And one of them is Indonesia. This update came with a new sticker called as comment sticker which showed your profile picture. In this video I will try to use that sticker from India by using VPN. Let's see if it is possible or not. So here I am on my phone's screen. I tried it but changing language. But nothing happened. Then I tried it with VPN and changed my language to Bahasa Indonesia. But I was still not able to use it. Then I thought to prank my friends by creating a similar story and using question sticker instead of comment sticker. Because comment sticker is not available in my country. You can also prank your friends like I have done. Just follow all the steps shown on your screen.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I even called my relatives who live in Indonesia. But they also have not received this update yet. Then I concluded that this update is only for those who are citizens of Indonesia. But at least you can prank your friends by creating a similar story, like I have done. Just follow all the steps. And literally they were amazed, and I got many messages asking how to do this. That's all for this video. Hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure to like the video. Subscribe to channel for more such videos.